Hello dear students, welcome back to math class. In previous video we have already discussed about place value and face value. So today we are going to discuss about how we circle the biggest number. How we circle the biggest number? Here question set up for you. We have to circle the biggest number 9, 3, 2, 5, 1. Among these numbers we have to circle the biggest number. So first we know one digit number starts from 0 to 9. So the number which comes first is the smallest number, and the number which comes later, that is the greatest number. So 0 comes first, so 0 is the smallest number, and 9 comes later, so 9 is the one digit biggest number. So let us circle 9, 3, 2, 5, 1. Among these numbers 9 comes last, so 9 is the biggest number. 9 is the biggest among all these numbers. 9 is biggest than 3, 9 is biggest than 2, 9 is biggest than 5, and 9 is biggest than 1. So 9 is the biggest number. Then we come to second question, that is two digit numbers given here, that is 79, 24, 38 and 56. Among these numbers we have to circle the biggest number. In second digit, in two digit numbers we have to write the place first, ones, tens, and tens. So here 9 ones, 7 tens, 4 ones, 2 tens, and 8 ones, 3 tens, 6 ones, 5 tens. Students, in two digit number always you will see the tens place. Here tens place 7, and here tens place 2, here 3, and here 5 is at tens place. So 7, 2, 3 and 5. Among these which number comes last? 7. So 7 is the largest number or greatest number. So 79 is the greatest number. We have to circle 79. 79 is bigger than 24, and 79 is bigger than 38, and 79 is bigger than 56. So then we move to the third number, that is two digit number also here, 65, 69, 68 and 66. Students, see here tens place number, that is we have to write the place first, ones, tens, tens. See here in the tens place numbers are same. If tens place numbers are same, then we will see the ones place. In ones place which number is bigger? So in ones place here 5, here 9, here 8 and here 6. So which one is bigger number? 9. 9 is the bigger number. So we will circle the number, that is 69. 69 is the biggest number among all these numbers. Okay, like this you have to do three digit numbers. So let us see question number 4. Here three digit numbers are given, 145, 160, 172, 189. Here see, I have said first you will write the place. So we'll write ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. Here ones, tens and 100 place. So let us see the 100 place. Here is 1, here also 1, here also 1, and here also 1. So that means 100 plus numbers are same. So we will see the tens place. In tens place here 4, in tens place here 6, here 7, and here 8. In tens place we will see which number is biggest number in the tens place. Here see 4, 6, 4, 7 and 8. So 8 is the biggest number. So we will circle this number, that is 189. That means this number is biggest than among these numbers. 189 is biggest than 172, 160 and 145. So let us come to question number 5. 790, 672, 907 and 888. So here also 3 digit numbers here. So we will compare, write first the places: ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens and 100, ones, tens, 100. So let us compare the 3 digit here. So we will compare the hundreds place. 100 place here 7, 100 place here 6, here 9 and here 8. So let us see which number is biggest. 7, 6, 9, 8. So 9 is the biggest number, biggest one digit number. So we will circle, that means this number is the biggest number, 907. So we will circle the number, that is 907. That means 907 is biggest than 888, 907 is biggest than 672 and 907 is biggest than 790. Okay, let us come to question number 6. Here 4 digit numbers are given. Children, see here 4 digit numbers are given: 1423, 2371, 5462 and 9897. Okay, so we have to circle the biggest number. Here 4 digit number, that's why we have to compare the thousand place. First we have to write the places. So let us write ones, tens, 100, 1000, ones, tens, 100, 1000, ones, tens, 100, 1000, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, 100 and 1000. So let us compare the thousand place. Here thousand place 1, here in thousand place 2, here at thousand place 5 and here at thousand place 9 is here. So which number is the greater number in thousand place? 9. 9 is the greater number. So this number, that is 9897, is the greatest number among all these numbers. 9897 is greater than 5462 and 9897 is greater than 2371 and 9897 is greater than 1423. Okay, understood? Like this you have to circle the smallest numbers and you have to practice more numbers. Okay, thank you.